We're actually on our way to Eastern Washington, going for a truck meet, and that's 3.5 hours away from us. Dang, it just came off. So this happens in the middle of nowhere.
What the fuck is this guy?
What's up, Raza? Back at it again. Coming to you from the Boricua. That's because it has been a busy morning. We're actually on our way to Eastern Washington. If you're familiar with the area, and that's 3.5 hours away from us. And you know when you're like trying to get ready.
Everybody got that sandwich?
Yes, I put one in each truck. Anyways, we got invited out to Eastern Washington. It's actually a pretty cool story. Going for a truck meet. Got invited by a truck crew that we're not familiar with, because what had happened was the other day my man was on Facebook Marketplace, like he always is. He saw an Impala. If you followed us for a while, especially if you used to get on our lives, you know that his dream car is a 62. He's built other years, but a 62 is his year. Reached out to the seller, and come to find out it is the same guy that bought lunch money from us. The guy that bought lunch money has kept in touch with him, has sent him progress pictures on the build, been painting it, and they've been working really hard on it. He was talking to him and talking about doing a trade with Aquaman. He invited us out. It would be really cool if we came out to the truck meet that they're hosting. There's going to be food vendors, there's going to be music. We are towing Aquaman, one of the Cutlasses, the one that me and him have worked on together painting. He's towing Cutlass. I'm in the Boricua and Lexi's in the Caray. We just got on the road. We were supposed to leave at like 6 in the morning. It's 7. Never mind it. I think it's going to be a really good time. Hopefully you guys come along with us. Dang, it just came off. Oh my god.
Look at. You knocked it out.
I'm okay to just drive without it.
How it toys.
Oh my god. Minor setback. Minor setback. I knew my truck was so loud. We're like an hour away. Bring the exhaust pipe. So this happens in the middle of nowhere. Had to be me. Oh my gosh. Minor setback. So much is happening so fast. I feel like I can't film or like pull out the camera. But do you see an Impala on my trailer right now? My man's trailer. Didn't even look at it. He was like, oh yeah. And then it came with a bottle of ibuprofen. It's gonna be a headache. So the guy that bought lunch money from us did not bring the truck because he said it didn't get finished in time. But he is gonna take us to go see it. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like these days. What do you think about seeing lunch money?
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. See somebody finish it.
Dude. Oh man. I'm so glad you brought us to see this. Yeesh.
Damn, this was my vision, bro.
That's crazy.
Because everybody does the.
Oh my god, I love it. Oh, that looks familiar.
What's up, Raza? Back at it again, staying hydrated. So basically, we made it out here. I think it's what, in Wenatchee? We made it to a, I think this is a truck show. First time they're doing it here. It looks like there's a good turnout. There's a really good turnout. There's a few issues that we had on the way here. One of them was that we lost the muffler on Boricua. She was like, it sounds crazy. There's a noise. Come to find out, the whole muffler came off the damn truck. So luckily, I brought the jack stands and stuff like that. But guys, we finally made it, guys. We delivered the Cutlass. So now it's the Cutlass is no longer ours, guys. Decided to go with something else. It's a 64 Impala SS. It came with a bottle of ibuprofen, and I think that was a big message to me. It looks like a big headache. Stay tuned for that. We are going to be building that. We are going to be showing you guys that. But right now, what we're doing is we're just enjoying the show and pretty much just kicking back. We're far, far away, so we're going to have to drive back with no muffler. Oh, you are? Yeah, I have to drive back with my headache.
We both got a headache.
We both got a big headache to go. Hopefully, Boricua's truck doesn't throw a valve. That's what I'm worried about. Right now is literally open headers. We have like a 3-hour drive. So hopefully the motor, we're gonna take it easy. Hopefully we get back in one piece. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the rundown. There's some really nice trucks out here. There's some really nice cars. Now, as you guys can see, we bought Boricua. We bought the Cat Eye. And we brought, what was the name of that car?
Aquaman.
Aquaman. But Aquaman is not going back with us. Stay tuned. For those guys that are not following us, please follow, because we're trying to get this channel, take it to the next level, guys. And you guys are the only ones that can help us with that. So with that being said, Raza, stay tuned and let's get back to business. Hey, you have to take a shot with me.
I don't drink, bro.
Oh, you have to.
Hey, take one.
No, I don't drink.
There you go. There you go. Órale.
The guy that invited us here, that's his club. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Goodness gracious! I don't know.
In that old school Chevy with the top back, butterfly doors, watch them flutter when I stop.
I don't know what my man's on, but whatever he's on, I'm on. It's a good time. It was definitely a good turnout. I don't know why my man's on some peer pressure, but it's like 2:30. We're waiting for the awards. We have a bunch of raffle tickets. I'm trying to win a stereo or and then we're gonna go from there. We've only been running on like 2 hours of sleep. Then we mobbed 3.5 hours here. Very much tired, but also hydrated. What do you want to say to the camera right now?
All I have to say is that having a good time.
Okay, I like that.
And thirsty.
What kind of thirsty, but hydrated. Thirsty but hydrated. More later.
Come to party, I just came to get my money right. Really wanna party, you should know that I don't want to fight. Really wanna step up in your book tonight. If I know really whenever, okay, you know the fight. Right.
Chevy with the top back, butterfly doors, watch them follow when I stop that. Ain't in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. These fans tripping on the road with the mop that.
If nobody else is a vibe, but you and your man are a vibe, do it. Because at the end of the day, it's you and him. Don't worry what everybody else looks like. It's just you and him. You just move on. You do your thing, because that's what me and him has always been about. I don't know how many people were watching. Please don't care what other people think. Dance with him if 100 people are watching and nobody's dancing, or if nobody's watching and nobody's dancing. Just do it, please. We did a cleaning kit.
Yes, we did.
He said for your boyfriend. Hey. Everything is going really good. I feel like everything is really a vibe. How are you feeling, Lexi?
Good. I like it. The weather's definitely gotten better as well.
It was cold. Now it's kind of
It's
sunny and it
feels kind of ruined my mood for a little bit.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah. But I'm good now. It's
Okay. She turned it around.
Yeah.
She went from sour to
sweet.
sweet. Sour to sweet, like a Sour Patch Kid.
There's a lot of good builds here. I like it.
What have you seen? What do you like? What do you not like? How do you feel?
There's my twin over there.
Twin?
My twin definitely giving me some ideas.
Okay.
I don't know. There's just a lot of clean, sleek builds. A lot of cool people here too.
Yeah.
A lot of supporters.
Yes.
Which is cool.
Shout out to everybody that has said hi, because I was not expecting that.
Yeah, it's honestly really cool when people come up and say they've seen the content.
I agree. It's still early.
We still have the rest of this meet and a cruise.
And a cruise.
Yeah.
We don't even know what time the cruise is, but we're ready for it.
Yeah, but it's gonna be fun.
And we won a car wash kit.
Yeah, we did. That was actually pretty cool. And I got a new air freshener. I rate this meet like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay.
Give me a minute. Okay, guys. So I'm just recovering from yesterday. I think I had a little bit too much to drink, but we're alive, guys. We're alive. It's the next day. I think it's what, Sunday?
Sunday.
So we're ready to head back home. It was a rough one. Oh, guys, we got another headache. We have another headache, but so we're gonna be working on this. Stay tuned for this one. Not excited, but I guess 64 SS. Stay tuned and come along with the ride. Gotta go back home now.
We had a really, really good time. I'm so glad that we got invited out here. So me and Lexi did a little bit of a burnout last night. Mind you, it's no burnouts allowed, but we did it on our exit. And we were supposed to go on a cruise. We didn't make the cruise, and I found out it was a good thing that we didn't, because I guess the 9 was out here hot looking for a little white truck doing burnouts. They said it said what he wanted.